changed her outfit because she was slobbing and stuff like that. Anyways, time to take her medicine. She is wheezing. She's like, so, girl. Anyways, all right. Let's do this. She doesn't like it. Come on. You gotta take it. She's gonna move. She's like, get this thing out of my face. Got to, girlfriend. You gotta take your medicine. Oh, well, she's good. Hey, you took the medicine. I knew you would. See, I knew you would.